today's video, I'm showing the keyboard and the mouse for the iPad Air, making Final Cut Pro on the iPad Air a lot easier to use, just like an iMac or MacBook Pro. Now once you connect the Bluetooth, you're able to use it just like a regular keyboard, and then for the mouse, you plug in the USB. This is the edit that comes with Final Cut Pro for the iPad. You're able to scroll through just like you're using the iMac or MacBook Pro. You can use the keyboard, so Command E to export, and really it makes everything so much easier. I was trying to use Final Cut on the iPad before I got this. It's very difficult compared to what I'm used to on like a MacBook Pro or iMac. And now you can still use the pen with the keyboard, and it still just makes everything so much easier. If you plan on using Final Cut on the iPad, I highly recommend the keyboard and the mouse, or even the pen. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it helps this channel to grow. And I plan on making some more videos using Final Cut Pro on the iPad Air using this equipment. Please let me know any video ideas you have in the comment section below, and thank you so much for watching.